is going to be Orkney in first place from Lanark in second.
Real last.
For Westbound. And Westbound over the line in first place. Lanark well in front at the moment. Oh, Lanark were going so well, but there's a ball on the ground. Hold them up slightly. But not for long.
I'm not bothered with lunch, I mean like seats or something like that.
Put the ball in. Goes to Bern, followed by the two Lanark teams. Oh, unfortunately, Lanark team missing the pot there. So here comes the Bern half-band. But, oh, the Bern of this. So Lanark takes the honours there. The Bern is in second place. The Bern A. This is looking third. It would be very much like, oh, very close, but I think that was Lanark just ahead of the Bern. Westbound in first place. And Orkney finishing there with a nice demonstration of how to do those two flags. Okay, next race is the Point and Cone, and we're looking for lane 1 Lanark.
Didn't it?